How to temporarily close Etsy shop. Now, if you want to temporarily close your Etsy shop, you just simply need to go into your browser and search for Etsy's vacation mode. And by using the vacation mode, you can temporarily close the shop that you use in Etsy. Just simply open this first link of how to turn on vacation mode in order to know how to do that. Here are steps in order to turn on the vacation mode in order to close your shop temporarily. First thing that you need to do is to go on the shop manager and select settings. Then there will be a lot of options in there. You just simply need to choose options from setting. Then you need to select vacation mode, which will be in the options of your shop manager settings. Then you need to turn on vacation mode from there, and you can fill in a temporarily shop announcement and message for the auto replies that you will get about your products in Etsy shop, and you can very easily save and you can very easily close your shop temporarily by using the vacation mode. You can also read further about the vacation mode on Etsy and fully maximize it in order to take a break. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.